All right, I want you to imagine that you're a startup founder and you're talking to your VP of customer success, just shooting the breeze, and he mentions that, users really want to see our product roadmap. They have questions about which features we're going to release next. And because there's no public place for them to view that information, it increases the load on our support staff. So what's the founder going to do? What's her first step to solving this problem? Well, if she's like most people, she's going to go to Google and she's going to search public product roadmap. And she's going to get a bunch of search results. Now remember, she's the CEO, she's busy, so she's highly incentivized to pay for something that's going to save her some time here. So she tries out a few options, maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4 products. And after she finds one that she likes, she's going to take out her credit card and buy. Now, if this product does its job and makes the support staff happy, then the founder, she feels like she's made progress. This was a good purchase, right? She went out and found a solution, made progress. And that's really how most sales on the web happen. So let's go back to our case study, roadmap.space. In the last video, we identified some opportunities, right? We used WooRank, we used the Search Console, we saw what people were already searching and clicking on, what the click-through rate was. Now we need to figure out what keywords we should target and also fix some of these other problems like the title tag, meta description, headings, etc. I'm going to start by using a tool called Ahrefs. All right, so we're going to type in roadmap.space and we're going to call this project roadmap. Click next. And now we need to start thinking about which keywords we want to track. Now, we will choose roadmap. I think that's important. So we're going to add that to the list. But we also want product roadmap. I want to make sure we spell these correctly. We also want maybe public product roadmap. Okay, we're getting a list here. Choose some more from these suggestions here, maybe Slack roadmap. All right, so now we have a list right here, and we have to enter in some countries. I think we really want the United States, and we're going to go to the next screen here. All right, so now we need to add some competitors. So Trello, User Voice, ProdPad, ProdPlan. Let's see if there's any other, and maybe Roadmap Planner. All right, so we're going to go next. So once you have the report, we can actually click on this and get a bunch of information. There's lots to show you here, but I'm just going to show you a few things. The first is going to be competing domains. All right, so these are the domains that are likely your competitors. ProdPad and Product Plan are 2 that are direct competitors. And so let's actually take a look at this one. So we're going to open it up, and let's look at their organic keywords. And we can see that product roadmap, they're number 3 for that, and they're getting a fair amount of traffic for it since they're number 1 for traffic right now. And so we can dig in to that keyword there, product roadmap, and get some information about this here, because we know that our competitor, it's one of their top keywords, right? They're in position 3. It's giving them a lot of traffic. Let's see what's going on here. So search volume, we can see, has increased, right? Clicks have also increased. We can also see the global search volume. It's not huge, it's around 4K, but the nice thing is that the keyword difficulty is not that great. Here it says you'll need backlinks from about 6 websites to rank in the top 10 for this keyword. So that's actually very prescriptive as well. We know that we're going to need to get some backlinks for our site. Hop back here and let's look at our backlinks already. So we can see that the backlinks for roadmap look like this. The top 2 are public roadmaps. And then we've got this one for design news and then product hunt. And then the backlinks kind of peter off, right? They're not as strong. But if we look at the backlinks for productplan.com, and just kind of scroll down here, we can see they actually have quite a bit more. They've got backlinks from the Buffer blog. They've got backlinks from Forbes, Medium, Entrepreneur.com, Product Hunt as well, the UK government, Pivotal Trackers blog. So we're getting a picture here of why Product Plan is number 3 for product roadmap. Ahrefs also gives us some search suggestions for other keywords we might want to target, like product roadmap template, product roadmap software, etc. Now remember, you can also see those kinds of suggestions if you just search for your keyword. Go to the bottom of the first page and you'll see searches related to, and we're getting a lot of these same search suggestions as Ahrefs is giving us here. What's nice here is they're giving us a little bit of volume, a little bit of the cost per click. So we know that product roadmap template, for example, is a good one to target. And they'll also give you suggestions on other keywords you might want to rank for. What is product, product strategy, definition of product, etc. I like to take these suggestions and just start putting them into a text file called keyword ideas. So here I have a list of kind of primary focus keywords, and over here I have some long tail keywords I might want to focus on. Answer the Public is another really good tool for browsing keywords and kind of keyword suggestions. And so I'm just going to type in product roadmap in here, and I'm going to change this to the United States. And if I click Get Questions, I get this result here. And what I like about this is it visualizes the main keyword, but then shows you all of the questions people are asking in relation to that. For example, product roadmap. Who owns the product roadmap? Product roadmap. What is a technology roadmap? What is a software product roadmap? And you can click on any of these and it'll take you to that actual search, and you can see who's ranking for that, what content Google's scraping, etc. If we scroll down, we get even more information here. We get this prepositions section with roadmap for product, roadmap for product launch, roadmap for product development, product roadmap how-to, product roadmap with Jira, product roadmap with Trello. So it's showing us all of these keywords and these keyword combinations that we can, target. All right, there's one more tool I want to show you. It's called Spyfucom, and it's a way to determine what keywords your competitors are using. So the first search I did was for productplan.com. It's a competitor to Roadmap, and it's going to tell us a few things. One, who are the top organic competitors and who are the top paid competitors. So Aha and Roadmonk are spending a lot of money in this space. And we've got Roadmonk, Mind the Product. This is a blog that seems to show up quite a bit, actually. Aha and ProdPad are all who you're competing against for those organic search results, right? And now we can go down to the bottom and get to what we really want, which is the top keywords. So product roadmaps is getting them quite a few clicks. They're ranked number 3. Product manager is getting them 142 clicks. Might be an opportunity there. Product road mapping, 77 clicks. Product manager job descriptions, 99. Maybe not as related to the product, so we'll probably ignore that one. We can also see some of the things they have created ads for in the past. Product roadmap template and product roadmap software are keywords they've targeted there. So I'm just going to make sure that I've got some of these keywords in my list. I think product road maps is definitely one I want to write down. Product road mapping. All right. So now we're getting an idea of what keywords our competitors are targeting, what kind of backlinks they have for those keywords. And in our next video, we're going to want to start editing our content here, so especially the homepage, as well as adding new content that targets those keywords.